Hello friends, welcome back to Tech Speech. Today we have one problematic laptop in our shop. In this laptop, customer said Wi-Fi not working, which is not connecting properly. In this situation, we need to check the Wi-Fi drivers whether it's installed or not. Next step, troubleshoot the Wi-Fi drivers. If you have a driver's backup, install again. Or go to the support page and search the model of your motherboard or in your PC and download and install. If you don't know how to find the drivers, I will give you a perfect solution for this. Connect the internet via the data cable. After right click the my computer device manager and then network and update it. If it is not works, try to follow the another step. If you don't know how to find the drivers, I will give you one easy step to install the drivers. First, open the browser and search a drivers pack solution. It will search automatically the drivers and install automatically. Follow my steps. Drivers pack online. In that driver search, open a new tab. Wait for a moment and install drivers automatically. Don't click that. Go to second option. I will select the install drivers and then select the network card. Then click install drivers automatically. It will search automatically what are the drivers if you want. If you have any doubts to install the drivers, kindly comment below. Definitely I will reply you. When this page appear, select the drivers. What are the drivers if you want to install in your laptop or PC and select to install. It will take some time. After restarting your computer, check the network card on your device manager whether the driver is installed or not. And then connect the Wi-Fi. If you like this video, subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching, friends.